Hey mama, welcome. Ragi milk porridge is considered one of the best first foods for babies aged 6 months and older. It is packed with high nutrition value and rich in calcium, protein, and iron. It is easily digestible and turns out delicious. Take 2 tablespoons of ragi grains. Clean it and remove any stones or dust particles. Wash it thoroughly for 3 to 4 times with plain water. Pour some water and soak it overnight. Next morning, take the soaked ragi grains, and rinse them again. Add a little water, and blend it nicely until you get milk. Collect the ragi milk in a separate container. Repeat the same step until the ragi grains are completely crushed. Strain it using a strainer or white cloth. Move the ragi milk to a pan and start cooking on a low flame. Stir it continuously and cook it until you get the desired consistency. You can add 2 to 3 drops of ghee if required. And ta-da! It's ready to serve. Make sure to feed it warm. Happy feeding. Remember to raise a happy and healthy eater. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.